Here's how to exactly fix Roblox voice chat not showing. Go to your Roblox and click on more and go to Roblox settings. In settings, select account info. So first of all, you have to verify your age. So make sure you are 13 plus age. So click on continue with camera, or you can select continue with ID. Then you have to use your driving license or passport or national ID card to verify your age. So go ahead and verify your age. Once done, under account info, here you will find phone number option. So go ahead and add and must verify your phone number. Once you successfully verified your age and your phone number, then go to privacy and content restriction section. Go to communication. In here, you'll find voice chat option. So just click on that to turn on voice chat.